amazed by a refrigerator that just doesn't offer good aesthetics but also the functionality. Introducing Haier's Inverter Series Frost-Free Double Door Refrigerator. Available in 256 litre and 320 litre capacity, with 2-star and 3-star ISEER rating. Available in vibrant patterns and solid colors with a glossy finish. Equipped with a twin inverter technology that helps run both the fan motor and compressor at inverter, causing fewer fluctuations and more energy savings. Available with 1-hour icing technology that makes ice cubes faster than making a curry. Also, you don't have to worry about the space, as the unit is innovatively designed with 8 modes to cater to your usage patterns. Featuring a spacious interior that comes with toughened glass shelves. These are strong enough to withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans too. You can also store your favorite fruits in a separate fruit box, veggies and greens in the 2x bigger vegetable box. It also has sturdy door shelves with bottle guards for storing PEP water bottles or soft drink cans. The Inverter Series Frost-Free Refrigerators by Haier feature a thicker PUF insulation that helps retain low temperatures efficiently for better cooling. Haier's range of elegant and smart frost-free double-door refrigerators do not need a stabilizer for optimum operation, as it can function even at a lower power voltage of 130 volts. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.